So we are in the middle of doing a house wash here. As you can see, I hope you can see that clearly, the render has become so mouldy. It's become a real problem for the customer. The presentation of the house looks terrible. So I'll be cleaning all of this render here for them. And we're using a method here called soft washing. So this is a chemical application, a chemical formula. I'll show you how we apply it. It's a very simple process. We apply the formula onto the wall and just let it sit. We're going to let it sit, in this case, for about 10 to 15 minutes, and you can see how quickly that is improving. We're talking at an astounding rate. You saw what it was like at the very beginning, and we're going to be doing the same here. I'll show you this little patch here, which is probably a very, very bad example here of how bad this render has gotten. Now, the beautiful thing about this is that this method is absolutely fantastic for a situation where the surface is delicate, i.e. in this case with render, and we don't really want to be applying any pressure or abrasion to the surface. Okay, I'll show you the results as next step is going to be rinsing of the surface, and I'll show you the results. Thank you. So I hope you can see that. We're going to rinse this down now, but already a significant improvement here. Let's just wash this down. See it as I wash it. There we go. You see how that's coming off beautifully. Absolute beautiful. Sometimes we need to, because this area was so bad, we might apply a second coat of chemical on there, but it may suffice. It may just suffice. Let's see. Look at that. It's almost like brand new. There's still some underlying deeper mold in there, so we might apply a second. We might increase the dwell time and apply a second coat, but still a significant improvement to that area. As you can see here, this section of render has come up just absolutely magic. The slight discoloration is what you're probably seeing is where the mold has gone in deep into the render, and obviously, you know, but I mean, from where we started, this is an amazing result. So I also like to show you the windowsill. Remember we saw that? Look at the results there. It's absolutely fantastic. So I hope that's useful, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.